Hi everybody, I wanted to make a video to walk you through creating files and folders in Google Drive. You should just log into your UALR Little Rock or UA Little Rock email, go to your Rubik's Cube icon and go to Drive. Everything we turn in this class will be submitted through Drive. So yours probably doesn't look quite as messy as mine, but hopefully you at least have something in there. To create anything new within Drive, you just go to New, and that includes folders, Google Docs, if you do any work with Sheets, which is like Excel, or Slides, which is like PowerPoint. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder, and I'm going to name it the name of the class. So that should show up in your Drive, and you can just go ahead and click twice on that folder. Now, whatever your class name is, this will be where you keep everything for it. So you can either upload files into this folder by going to New and File Upload. So if you're uploading Word docs, if you have a portfolio, then that's where you would go for that. Or you can go create a new Google Doc. And so you just click on that. It opens in a new tab, and you'll want to make sure and first go and title that document with whatever the name of your assignment is. And I should have told you somewhere in there what to name it. Now, for those of you very unfamiliar with Google Drive and Google Docs, all changes are automatically saved, so I can click right out of this immediately, and it's still there. So I'm going to go back into that for a second. It doesn't have quite all the functionality of like Word or something a little more robust, but it should work for the purposes of this course. The buttons are kind of self-explanatory. The thing I wanted to show you is the sharing feature. So if you go up here and hover your mouse over the share button, it'll see that it automatically defaults to private to only me. So if you click on that button, there are a couple of different ways that you can share with others. First, you can just put someone's email address directly into this box here. So let's say I wanted to share it with me. I could type my first two letters of my email address, and that's going to pop up. I select that person, and then I want to select what they can do with the document. So Can Edit gives full access. Can Comment allows only Google comments in the margins, and then Can View allows them only to see the document. For the purposes of this class, Can Comment will be fine most of the time. You can also get a shareable link. So if you're posting your document in discussion board, if we're doing peer review, you can click on Get Shareable Link, and then you see a link that you can copy. The thing you'll want to be careful about here is that you want to set those same permissions. So it defaults to anyone at UALR with the link Can View. You'll probably want to change it to anyone at UALR with a link Can Comment for most documents. So then you can just copy that link and then take it and insert it wherever you need it to go. Once you click send on that, the person that you notified will get a message saying that you shared a document with them. The same thing is true of a folder. So I'm going to go back to my Drive, and I'm going to go to this name of the class folder and just highlight it. And you'll notice up here at the top you have a share option that's very similar to the Google Doc option. So you can click on that, and you have similar sharing options with the whole folder. Anything you put in this folder will then be viewable by the people you share it with. So you'll want to be careful when you put other things in there. But if you're doing like a portfolio, or I've asked you to do some sort of a shared folder, then this is how you would do that. Same kind of conventions. You can either put people's names in here, or you can get the shareable link to the folder and make sure that your settings are set appropriately. So two ways you can share, either the docs or the folder. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I look forward to working with you in this class.